Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best low-cost laser levels on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Sigman Laser Level Self-Leveling 3x360 degrees 3D. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Sigman Laser Level Self-Leveling 3x360 degrees 3D is a versatile tool designed for precise alignment and leveling in various construction and DIY projects. It features 3 360-degree laser lines that project horizontally and vertically, providing comprehensive coverage for accurate measurements and layout work. The self-leveling function ensures the laser lines remain perfectly level, even on uneven surfaces, enhancing accuracy and ease of use. This model includes a magnetic base for secure attachment to metal surfaces and a tripod thread for additional mounting options. Its robust design and user-friendly interface make it suitable for tasks such as wall mounting, tiling, and framing. The Sigman Laser Level is ideal for professionals and enthusiasts seeking reliable and precise leveling solutions. Number 2 is the Klein Tools 93 CPLG Compact Self-Leveling Laser Level. The Klein Tools 93 CPLG Compact Self-Leveling Laser Level is a precision tool designed for accurate leveling and alignment. It features a self-leveling mechanism that ensures the laser lines remain perfectly horizontal and vertical, even on uneven surfaces. The compact design makes it easy to handle and maneuver, while its rechargeable battery offers convenience and extended use without the need for constant battery replacements. The laser level includes a magnetic base for secure attachment to metal surfaces and a durable construction built to withstand tough job site conditions. Its intuitive controls and bright, visible laser lines make it a practical choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking reliable and efficient leveling solutions. And to finish, the first position goes to the Laser Level WEIDDW4D16 Lines Laser Level 4x360. The WEIDDW4D16 Lines Laser Level 4x360 is an advanced tool designed for comprehensive leveling and alignment tasks. It features 4 360-degree laser planes, providing full horizontal and vertical coverage for precise measurements and layout work. The 16 laser lines ensure extensive visibility and accuracy, making it ideal for complex projects such as construction, tiling, and picture hanging. The self-leveling function automatically adjusts to maintain accurate lines on uneven surfaces. Its rugged design ensures durability on job sites, and the user-friendly controls make it easy to operate. With its versatile laser planes and high precision, the WEIDDW4D Laser Level is a valuable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 low-cost laser levels that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.